Good morning, students. Up to the last lecture, we have studied about the valency of an element. Okay. So now today we have to see next topic, that is the isotope. Okay. So up to now we have studied about the atomic number, and atomic mass. Okay. These two concepts I already told you. Okay, atomic number and atomic mass. Okay, we know any element we represent as like this. Okay, x z a, x z a. So atomic number of any element is represented by letter Z, and mass number is represented by A. Okay, that we already see in last some topics. Okay, generally we write some element as like this: carbon C612. Okay, below we write 6 and upper side we write 12. Okay, so this is the carbon atom. Okay, so this 6, this below right number is atomic number, and this 12 that right above, that is the mass number. Okay, so as like this we represent any element. Okay, this is the carbon element. Okay, so also we are studied detailed about the atomic number and mass number. Okay, so what is the definition of atomic number? We are studied. Okay, we say that the number of proton in an atom, okay, is nothing but the atomic number of particular element. Then second is, what is atomic mass number? Okay, atomic mass number. Atomic mass means what? Simply, atomic mass means the number of proton plus number of neutrons that present inside the atom of an element. Okay, so atomic number means only the number of proton. Okay, and atomic mass means number of proton plus number of neutrons present inside the nucleus of an atom. Okay, so such a way that we define atomic number and atomic mass. Okay, as like this we represent any element. Okay, we know atomic number of carbon is 6 and mass number is 12, means it has 6 proton and 6 neutron. 6 plus 6, 12. Okay, so this is the mass number of carbon, and 6 only proton number. Okay, 6 is what? Only proton number, and that is the atomic number of any element. So here we have to remember carefully that atomic number is nothing but the number of protons that are present inside the nucleus of any element, that we already studied. Okay, and mass number is what? The number of protons plus number of neutron, this addition present inside the nucleus of any element, that is simply called out atomic mass number. Okay, so such a way that we can find out atomic and mass number. Now this atomic number is the very basic property of any, fundamental property of any element. Okay, because if atomic number is 6, okay, suppose atomic number is 6, it directly represent that atom is what? Carbon atom. Okay, if atomic number is 11, it directly represent it is the sodium. If atomic number is 1, then it is the hydrogen. Okay, so such a way that this atomic number is fundamental property of any element. We can know any element by its knowing its what? Atomic number. Okay, if we know atomic number, then we can say that this atom has name this. Okay, means this number, atomic number, is the fundamental property. So we can say that we can identify any atom. Okay, because for the particular atom this atomic number is fixed. Okay, for the carbon it is 6, means 6 protons are present inside the carbon atom. For sodium 11, it means 11 protons are present in the sodium atom. For one hydrogen means 1 proton is present in hydrogen atom. Okay, so this atomic number is a fundamental property of any element, that also we are already studied. Okay, so this thing we are already studied. Okay, now today we have to see this concept, which is the isotope. Okay, why I am telling you that? Because we have to use that previous knowledge in this concept. Okay, so isotopes means what? These are the atoms of elements which having same atomic number but different mass number. Okay, so these are the atoms of element which having same atomic number but different mass number. What? These are the atoms of elements which having same atomic number but different mass number. Okay, look at carbon has its 3 isotopes. Carbon C12, C30, C40. Look at all are the carbon atoms. Okay, all 3 are carbon atoms, but their mass number are different. Okay, first having mass number 12, second having 13, and third having 14. Means atom is same, means their atomic number is same, so different is what? Their mass number. Okay, so these are the such atoms of element which having same atomic number but a different mass number are simply called what? Isotopes. Okay, so this definition you have to remember. These are the atoms of element which having same atomic number but different mass number. Such elements are called what? Isotopes. Such atoms are called isotopes. Okay, so this definition you have to remember. So now this C12, C13, C14, what happened? Look at, we write any atom as like this. C12, this is the carbon 12, this is the carbon 13, this is the carbon 14. Okay, so these are the, we represent this element, these atoms as like this. Okay, so here what happened? Atomic number is same. Atomic number is nothing but what? Number of protons in atom. So here in all 3 atoms, what happened? Number of protons are same. That is the how much? 6. So difference is what? Number of neutrons. Look at here, 12. 6 plus 6. Okay, 12. Okay. Mass number is what? Mass number is 12. Mass number is what? Number of proton plus number of neutron. So here 6 proton plus remaining are what? Simply neutrons. 6 plus 6, 12. Here in this case, look at 6 and 13. Mass number, number of proton plus number of neutron. Look at mass number is how much? 13. 6 plus how much is equal to 13? 7. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So here number of neutron is different. Again here what? Number of proton, that is the 6 plus 8. is equal to 14. So here, what is the change? Look at, atoms are same, all the carbon atoms, but what? Their atomic number is same, but mass number is different. So look at here, change is what? Protons are same, number of protons are same, but change is what? Change is takes place in the number of neutrons. Look at, in carbon 12, total 6 proton and 6 neutron. Carbon 13, 6 proton and 7 neutron. In carbon 14, 6 proton and 8 neutron. So simply, what changes takes place in isotopes? So in isotopes, what happen? These are all the same atoms. Okay, same atom of same element, but their mass number are not equal. Okay, their atomic number is same. Look at atomic number, carbon 12 6, carbon 13 again 6, carbon 14 again 6, but their mass number is not same. Look at here, carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. So here, proton plus neutron, this number is not same in all three cases. Okay, so such atoms of element which having same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. Okay, this is the one example of carbon. Okay, here what happened, in carbon 6 is carbon 12. Okay, in that what happened, number of proton and neutron are 6 equal. Okay, in carbon 13 what happened, number of protons are 6 and number of neutrons are how much? 7. Okay, so here one neutron is extra present in carbon 13. Also in carbon 14 what happened, number of protons are equal 6 but number of neutrons are 8. So here 2 neutrons are more than this carbon 12. Okay, so such a way that these are the atoms of element which having same atomic number. Look at, same atomic number, 6 is the atomic number of carbon, but different mass number. Look at 12, 13, 14. 12, 13, 14 is the mass number of carbon. So here difference in what? Atomic mass number. So this is the three are isotopes of carbon. These three are called isotopes of carbon. Okay, so here you have to remember only definition of isotopes. These are the atoms of element which having same atomic number but different mass number. This is the definition of our carbon atom. And second is example, carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. These are the three examples of isotopes of carbon. Okay, so here atomic number is same, 6 is the atomic number of carbon, but in these three cases mass number is not same. So these three are the example of isotopes of carbon. Okay, now we have to see another one example of isotopes, that is the isotopes of hydrogen. Okay, so here hydrogen, deuterium, tritium. Okay, if we see the atomic number, okay, atomic number means what? Number of protons. The number which is right here below in all three cases is how much? 1. Okay, and atomic number is nothing but the what? Number of protons. So in this case hydrogen, what? Protons are how much? 1. Protons are how much? 1. And neutrons are how much? Look at, mass number is what? Number of proton plus number of neutron. Okay, so here number of proton is 1, so number of neutron is how much? 0. Okay, so in hydrogen atom only one proton is there, neutron is not present in the hydrogen atom. That also you have to remember. Now second, this is the one isotope of hydrogen, deuterium. Okay, now here look at what happened. Atomic number is 1, means protons are how much? 1. But now look at mass number is 2. Mass number means what? Number of protons is how much? 1 plus number of neutron. Total addition is how much? 2. So here number of neutron should be 1. So here should be 1. 1 proton and 1 neutron is present in the deuterium. Okay. Then tritium. In tritium, what happened? In a tritium, look at atomic number is 1, means proton are how much? 1. Then mass number is how much? 3. So mass number is what? Number of proton. Proton are how much? 1 plus how much is equal to 3? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So here neutrons are how much? 2. Okay. So here look at what happened. In a hydrogen atom, what? 1 proton and 0 neutron. Okay. Look at atomic number is same. All three are the hydrogen, but changes where in their mass number. Okay. So this is the another example of isotope of hydrogen. Okay. Deuterium, tritium are the isotopes of hydrogen atom. Okay. So here what happened? Look at hydrogen 1 is atomic number and 1 is mass number, means only 1 proton is there, neutron number is 0. Look at in deuterium. Deuterium what happened? Atomic number is 1. Atomic number is nothing but the number of protons. So protons are how much? Only 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So number of neutrons are how much? 1. So in tritium, proton is 1 and neutrons are 2. Okay. So such a way that change is what? Only in the number of neutrons. Look at number of protons is same, 1 1 1, but change takes place where? In number of neutrons. So we can say that in isotopes what happened? Proton number remains same, means atomic number remains same, but neutron number changes. That is why what? This mass number changes. So in case of isotopes, we have to remember these are the atoms of element which having same atomic number but different mass number. These two are the example we are see today. Carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14 are the examples of carbon isotope, and hydrogen, deuterium, tritium, these are the examples of hydrogen isotopes. Okay. So what change takes place here? Look at atomic number remains same but mass number changes. So such atoms are nothing but the isotopes of that element. Okay. The remaining part we will see in tomorrow's lecture. Thank you.